Welcome back to my channel Digital Toolcase. I'm Chris, and in this video I want to talk about how you can build easily and for free your first online course, replacing some of the most famous platforms, for example like Teachable or Kartra, and you can start for free. You can even sell your course if you want, so you can start your real online business, or maybe you can give it away for free. I will use this platform to show you how to do it. It's called Systeme, and it's a really good tool because you can build an entire business with this platform. So you can create sales funnels, email marketing, websites, blogs, you can manage your affiliates, create online courses, automate your marketing, and so on, saving a lot of money from other tools. And again, you can start for free, but I will show you later what you can do with Systeme. First, if you want, please like this video, click on subscribe to my channel so you will not lose any new video I will release. Before showing you how to build your first online course for free, I want to invite you to this special event. It's an online event. It's called Epik Summit 2022. If you are watching this video after September 11th, 2022, maybe you want to skip this video to next chapter, but in this very next day, from September 8 to September 11, you can participate for free to this interesting event. Again, it's called Epik Summit, and I think you will like it because you can see some really good marketers, the best in the world, that will show you their secrets, their traffic source, their work, their job. Dan Locke, for example, very famous one. Aurélien Amaker is the owner of Systeme. Rich Schefren, very famous. He will talk about marketing trends, and all these other guys and gals. These are, for example, Marisa Romero is a famous YouTuber. She will talk about emails, again, email list, intercommercial, how to make your first 1,000 and scale to 1,000 a day with simplicity. As you can see in this summit, the topics will be very interesting. Again, email list formula, using a quiz funnel. Jonathan Montoya, another very famous YouTuber, he will talk about how to attract subscribers, and so on. You just need to click my link here below. It's completely free, so you can attend online from where you want, from your home. Click the link, subscribe to this Epik Summit. You just need to leave your email address here in this page, and I will participate, so I hope you will do it. Now I am inside the Systeme platform. It's a really easy to use and very simple platform. This is the main dashboard. I don't have any data because I'm using this account to show you how Systeme is working. How you can build your online course for free. When you subscribe for free to Systeme, again, you can find my affiliate link here below. You can access to a lot of things for free, and they will be free forever. Let me show you very quickly here in the pricing page. This is the free account, so you can start your business. You can build we are talking about courses, so let me check here. You can build one course for free, obviously, but you can have unlimited students, you can have unlimited file storage to upload your videos, you can have one blog, 2000 contacts with email, you can send unlimited email. Well, when you will click my link, you will reach this page. You can see all you can get from this free subscription. Then, if you want, you have other plans, very convenient ones, especially if you pay annually, you have a very big discount. Now, here is the dashboard. You just need to go here where you see this menu, product sales, and click on courses. By clicking here, you can add a new course. This is very easy. You can give a name to your course. So let's call it, for example, Digital Tool Case Community. Let's make this example. You can write a description. So this is my free course, for example. I'm just showing you an example. You can choose the language, and as you can see, you have all this language: French, English, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, German, Dutch, and Russian. You can define your URL here. I'm not using my own domain. This is the free domain I get with Systeme. You can connect your own domain, so you will be even more professional. You can define your path. So let me call it community in this example. You can choose, if you have more than one domain here in your system, you can choose what to use. You can choose a theme. These are really simple colored theme. So let's use, for example, I think I will use orange. I can choose my font here. So for example, Poppins. Okay, I can upload my logo. Here it is, my logo. Let's check my logo dimensions. Okay, I can choose an image if I want. Here I can embed some HTML or JavaScript code if I need. Here I can check show module titles for students. Okay. And I can even choose a sales page, but I still don't have a sales page for this course, and you will not have one, so maybe we can do it later. Now I can save here. Now what I need to do here in my course is add a module. A module is a chapter, so let's say module 1, for example. And now inside my module, you can call it whatever you want. Inside my module, I need to add the lecture. The lecture is a lesson. So add lecture, I give it a name. So lesson 1, for example. And I can choose the delay. From my last lecture. I will show you later what you can do, because you can, for example, make these lessons available to your students. For example, one every day or one every week, or you can choose to show all your course, your entire course to your students from the beginning. Here you can choose a page template. Let's pretend you can preview. I don't know why my screen is doing something strange like this. I don't know if it's my PC, my browser, or the app in this moment, but I never saw this kind of thing. Anyway, you can preview your template. Let's pretend I want to use this one. It's already selected, so I click on Save. And now I am inside my lesson page. I can build my lesson page in the way I prefer, so I can choose any kind of graphic. Let's say I don't want images here, for example, because I just want text, so I can delete, I can add whatever I want, as I can do even in my sales pages and so on. You can add sections, buttons, images, video, audio. As you can see here, I can even upload some PDF that students can download. And this is, for example, the first lesson. Here you can insert your video. And you can use YouTube videos, for example. I think Vimeo videos, any kind of other external service video, but you can also use these other options, custom embed, in this case, or upload a file. So if I want to upload one of my video, and if you want to upload one of your video, you can do it here. You have unlimited space with the Systeme for free. The only limit is you can't upload files that are bigger than 2 gigabytes. Even if they suggest you to use small videos, so for example 100 megabytes or 200 megabytes and so on. So I will try to upload one of my videos now, one of the shortest one, just to show you an example. I just need to click here and or drag and drop my file or select my file. Okay, I'm uploading my video now. Let's wait a few seconds. Okay, it's finished now. Obviously, the bigger your video, the more time you will need to upload. This video is 126 megabyte. And now I just need to click Insert. And as you can see, now I have here my personal video. So again, you can use an external service, but you have your free space here to upload your video. So I think it's the better way. Now, let's pretend I wrote something here regarding my my first lesson of this course. Here you can change your title and so on, lesson 1 and so on. I just need to save changes here, and if you want to see your page, how it looks, you just need to click on preview. And so this is your page course. It's saying this is preview mode, don't use this URL. This is not the URL you need to use when sharing anyway this course. So as you can see here, you have all the first lesson, and you can see here you have your course name, your teacher's name, and the percentage of complete for the course. Obviously, I now have only one lesson. When someone will read this lesson, can mark as complete. For example, clicking here, once the student saw the video and learned the lesson, clicking here, mark as complete. And as you can see, now it's saying no lectures yet, because this was the only one. But this is because I'm in the preview mode. When you will publish your course, you will see, for example, here 100% complete and so on. And this is how you generate your lessons inside your course. So, for example, this is the first one. I can add another one, choose the same template, and so on. And this is how you can build your course, but you have other options here. For example, you can edit your content here. If you want to change something, you can publish your lesson by clicking this. You can preview your lesson by clicking here. You can define your settings here. It's just the name of the lesson and the delay after previous lecture. So let's add another one very quickly, just to show you how it works. Lesson 2, and let's say I want to make a delay of, let's say, 1 day in this case. Click on save. Let's pretend that this is lesson number 2. Okay, I just save like this. So now I have 1 day delay for this drip. What does it mean? It means that when someone enrolls in your course, they will see your lesson number 1, but they will not have access to lesson number 2 until the next day, because I choose 1 day delay in this case. And this is very useful if you don't want to deliver all your course in one time. Again, here I have also this email icon. It's useful because, as you can see, create a drip campaign email. If I click here, I can create an email that will be sent automatically when this lesson will be released. So when 1 day will pass, this email will go automatically to the student, so the student can obviously see the lesson and read the lesson. This is another very, very good thing here in the course. So this is it for your course creation. Very simple, very easy. You obviously can see your students here. Now I don't have students in this case. When you will have students, you can see the list here, at which of your courses they are subscribed, and so on. You can filter them, and this is really easy for this part. Now, you obviously need to market your course, you need subscribers, you need to sell it, and you can do all these things inside Systeme and for free. At least for your first course. You need to click here on funnels, in this case, create a new funnel. In this case, you can choose, for example, custom, build a custom funnel from scratch, or sell a product or a service. In this case, you need to choose this one. Let's give a name, course. This example, you can choose your funnel domain, you can choose your currency. You can also build a simple funnel to collect emails. In this case, you want to sell your course, for example, so you need to choose this one, create funnel. And as you can see, you have your first 2 pages added here, an order form and a thank you page. So let's say you have a blog or a YouTube channel where you promote your course, and you can send people to this page, for example, straight to the order page. Maybe it's not the best solution, and you want to send them not straight to the order page, but to a sales page, for example. So you can create a new step here. Let's call it landing. Let's choose from here sales page, save, and as you can see now I can choose between a bunch of pre-made templates. In this case, let's see if there is one for a course. For example, here it is, learn to cook online. Let's select this one. You can define your URL here, so landing. Okay, you can choose the name you want. This landing will be my first step, so I can place it here and click on this edit page. So here you can customize your sales page how you want, how you prefer. This is useful because you can start from a template and then modify it and edit it as you like for your specific course. One important thing is what you choose to do with your button, for example, because someone will land to this page, will see your course details and so on, and then will need to join your course. So here in your button settings, you can click here. You can define to let people go to next step URL, and this is the next step of your funnel. You can even choose send form, it's not the case here, show pop-up, or you open URL if it's an external URL, download a file, in this case it's next step URL. So save changes. When someone will click this button, will go to the next step or the order form. In this case, let's select this first one. Here again you have a bunch of templates, so order. In this case, you can see your order page and modify it as you like. You can even choose your payment methods. You need to set them in your system settings page. You can define your prices. For example, in order to define these prices, you need to connect your Stripe or PayPal account, or you can't do it if you first don't do this step. So here, as you can see, I don't have any option because I didn't set up this payment processor, so I can't say to Systeme what this button will do. Once you will connect all your payment processor, you can define and say go to next page or process payment and so on. Anyway, let's save changes here. And an important thing here, you can define what will happen when someone will pay for this course. For example, here in the resources part, you can add, you can select a course. In this case, you can select, for example, or course bundle, tag, physical product. In this case, is course. You can choose a course, digital toolcase community, and choose an access type, full access or drip content. The difference is full access will give your customer the entire course, and drip content, as I said before, will give access only to the first lesson, and the other ones, the ones you define with a delay, will be released when you choose. So you need to select here full access. In this case, as you can see, again, you have now other options. Grant access on specific date. If you want to select a specific date, as you can see, it's saying here, your student will gain access to the course on the selected day at midnight in your time zone. Expiration day, if you want this course to expire after some days, very, very useful. Here you can define your price plan, but you need to connect your payment gateways. You can choose to add some coupons if you want. You can create your coupons for your students, and here is where you define all these things. And then you have your thank you page. Again, you can select a template here and call this thank you. You can edit also this page, and then on this button you will give access to your course, for example, and to do this you will need to select open URL. Here you will need to insert your course URL, and this is just an example because as you can see, the button here is saying join private Facebook group, but you can change the button and do whatever you want. Anyway, at this point your customer will be subscribed subscribed to your course will have access, because here you defined your resources. I didn't save them, but I showed you how you can do it. And this is it for building your course. You can even subscribe your customer to, for example, an email campaign, and again you have all inside the system. You just need here to create an email campaign here, for example. So you can create the campaign, give it a name, define your email sequences, create your workflow. Maybe I will do another video to show you how workflows works. Anyway, you can find here in the help section any kind of instruction on how to do everything inside Systeme. Then here you can add an automation rule, for example, add rule, let's say new sale. So you just made a new course sale. You can add an action, subscribe the user to a campaign, so to an email campaign, or unsubscribe, or add a tag, remove a tag, send an email to specific address, again send a webhook. You can do really whatever you want. In this case it will be subscribe to campaign. You can choose the campaign. I don't have one in this example. This is it, very easy, very simple, how you can build your first online course for free, because with this free plan in a Systeme you can do it. You have an email campaign you can use, you can do one-click upsell, you can do order bump, A/B test, coupon code, deadline funnels, you have the Stripe and PayPal integration, you can run your affiliate program, and so on. And when you will grow up with your business, well, you can go step by step and reach the highest plan here. And as you can see, it's just $97 monthly, and all is unlimited. If you compare it with something like, for example, ClickFunnels, here you have many more options, and for the lowest cost possible for this kind of tool. Okay, I hope this was helpful. You just need to click here below my video. It's an affiliate link, so thank you if you will use it. Subscribe to the free plan in Systeme, build your first online course, and start easily and for free your online business. If you like this kind of videos, please let me know here below in the comments of this video, and watch all my other videos, my playlists here on Digital Toolcase. Thank you again, thank you very much, and see you soon in another video.